Hello, with this printer, this is a Kyocera M2035 printer. I want to show you how to correct all kinds of frequent paper jam. If you keep having constant paper jam on Kyocera printers, I'll show you how to correct it. Now during the process, I'll also use the opportunity to show you how to correct stains. You can see lines and all kinds of stains on the printout. So I'll also show you how to correct all these lines if your printer is having the lines, but my major focus will be on constant paper jam on a Kyocera printer. So I'll also show you how to correct stains like this. Okay, now the major causes of paper jam is the pickup roller, the fuser unit, and the HVPS board. Now if you've replaced the pickup roller and you replace your fuser units and the paper jam continues, there's one other place I will want you to check, and that is the HVPS board. Most people ignore this. To get access to it, I will remove the fuser unit first, because I want to show you how to correct stains on the printout. So I'll remove the fuser unit first. To remove the fuser unit, you need to take out the cover on the left hand side so that you can unscrew and then remove the cable that is attached to the power supply board. So if you have stains on your printouts, one of the places you have to check is your fuser unit, the drum unit. If the drum unit is good, then check your charger. Check the charger. If possible, clean the charger. Sometimes line can come from the charger. Just clean it properly. There's a green tab there. Just move the green tab across the charger a couple of times. That should be able to correct the problem. Now to remove the fuser unit, we have to remove screws, this one, and then there's another screw here. So I'll have to remove this plastic so that I can remove the cable of the fuser unit, so the fuser unit can come off easily. This screw has to go while removing the HVPS board. So first of all, let me remove the cable that is attached to this. Okay, so I'll remove, there are two screws here for you to remove the fuser, and this one and this one. Let's check on that. There are two screws under the fuser unit, this, and then when they're out, there's one here. Don't forget, just gently pull out the fuser unit, because there's a cable on the left hand side that we have to detach also. So don't forget to detach that cable on the left hand side. If you pull it out that way, it might break the cable. So this is the fuser units. Now this particular fuser unit can cause paper jam and then lines on your print, on the printout. So you can see there's this roller here. Check the roller for lines. If the roller has lines on it, definitely to print out lines on your document. So that is one of the places you have to check. And then if you keep getting constant paper jam, check this particular fuser unit there. That is a sensor there that you need to replace. So I have been able to replace the roller there. There are two rollers. There's a pressure roller and there's one other roller there. So the secondary roller there. So I've replaced the secondary roller, and that is the cause of that line on it. Remember, the line can also be the charger can also cause line on your printout. So this is not the only issue that can cause line. The charger also. Clean your charger. After cleaning the charger and the line continues, check your drum. If your drum is fine, then come to the fuser unit. So I've been able to fix the secondary roller here I'm replacing the fuser unit. Remember to attach this cable here on the left hand side. Okay, so I'll just fix the screws back the way they are, and then I will go ahead and fix the high voltage power supply issue that is causing our paper jam. Remember, my pickup roller is good, the fuser unit is fine, so definitely the problem has to be this high voltage power supply that most people ignore. There's actually a sensor there. If the sensor is bad or the board is bad, you keep having jammed documents under. Remember to attach all this cable back the way they are, and then so I'm through with this, so I will just attach this plastic back and then go ahead and fix the HVPS issue. Alright, so the HVPS board is under the printer, so just raise your printer sideways like this so that you can have access to the bottom part of the printer. Now remove this carefully. There's a hook on the right hand and the left hand side, so remove all these screws here. I've removed all these screws. So the next thing I'm going to do is to work on this HVPS board. This is the HVPS board, and most people ignore this. So if I can remove the HVPS board, I need to detach the cable that is coming from the power supply units to the HVPS board. So remember, you can't remove the HVPS board without removing the cable that is coming to the power supply area. If you try to pull it with force, it is going to break it. So now that I've been able to remove the cable that is attached to it, I'll carefully unscrew the screw that is holding the board, and then I'll pull it out easily. Remember, HVPS board is an item you can get online. Just search online, you should be able to get the HVPS board, and HVPS board stands for high voltage power supply board, and that is one of the major components that most engineers ignore while servicing this particular printer. So this can be a major cause of constant paper jam. So I hope I've been able to help you solve your problem. So thank you. I'll see you some other time. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel.